children? Now let us see about this ratios. The question says here, write the following fractions in the ratio form. They are given fractions here. You have to write it in the ratio form. But you should, you know that it should be done into the simplest form, isn't it? So now let us see this. 18 by 8. So you write it in the working column, children. Take a working right side of the page. Okay. So first one is 18 by 8. Can you simplify this? Yes, isn't it? With 2 ones are table, you can simplify. So 2 9s are 18, 2 4s are 8. Further, can you simplify 9 by 4? No, isn't it? So what you can write? You can write it as 9 by 4. So what is 9 by 4? 9 by 4 is equal to what? 9 is to 4. Is it not? So 18 by 8 is equal to 9 is to 4. The question is write the following fractions in the ratio form. So you are going to write it in the ratio form. It is like this. 9 is to 4. Now coming to the next one, 35 by 2. So what you have to do is 35 by 2. See whether you can simplify. If you have to simplify, you cannot, because this is odd number, this is even number, and 2 is a prime number. 35 is odd and 2 is even, as well as this prime. So you cannot cancel it with the same table. So what you have to write? You have to write it as 35 is to 2. So the answer here is 35 is to 2. Because you cannot further simplify this. Next one is 72 by 44. So here 72 by 44. See whether you can simplify. So how to simplify that? You should see that here, because both are even numbers, isn't it? So you can directly go with 2 ones a table. So how much it comes? 2 3s are 6. Then 12. 2 4s are 12. Here 2 2s are 4 and 2 2s are 4. Again further you can simplify because both are even numbers. So 2 17s are and 2 11s are. Now what happens? 17 by 11 you cannot further simplify. So it will be 17 by 11, which is equal to 17 is to 11. 17 is to 11. So your answer for this will be 17 is to 11. Now coming for 144 by 153. I write it here. 144 by 153. See in which table it goes. Because one is even and one is odd. Whether you can simplify or not, you just check. So in which all table 3 will come. 3 ones are table, isn't it? Then 9 table will get now. So 9 we will see whether it goes. So 3 ones are, we will see 3 5s are 50, 3 ones are, 3 4s are 12. Yes, we will see with 3 only. 3 5s are 15, 3 ones are 3. Again 3 4s are 12, 2 remains 24, 3 6 are 24. Isn't it? Next, any other table it will go, you just check. Here 1 and here 6 is there, odd and even. You see in which table it goes. Will it go in any table? You see. Will it go? No. So it is 46 is to 51. Yes, that will be our answer. 46 is to 51 will be our answer. Next, let us go with this. Write the following ratios as fractions. So here they have given the ratio, but I have to write it in the form of fraction. So what to write? 10 is to 24. 10 is to 24 should be written in the form of fraction. So 10 is to 24 is 10 by 24. So 2 5s are and then 2 12s are. So what's the answer? for this one you can write 11 by 12. 11 by 12. Next, 121 by 132. Sorry, not that one. Sorry, children. The answer for this one. This answer for that one it is. So 121 by 132 answer is 11 by 12. 11 by 12. Okay, now let us go for the next one. It is 21 by 18. 21 by 18. So you can see very well in which table it goes. 3 tables, isn't it? 3 6 are 18, 3 7s are 21. So answer is 7 by 6. So for 21 is to 18, what is the fraction? 7 by 6. 7 by 6. Next, 120 by 240. You can use small tables and try to do. If not, if you know the tables very well, you can directly go for a higher table. Otherwise, you have to use from the smallest table and do it. Okay. So now it is 120 by 240. So very clearly 0 0 you can cancel. And clearly you can understand 12 ones are 12, 12 ones are 24. So 12 ones are 12, 12 ones are 24. So you get the answer 1 by 2. So answer is 1 by 2. Understood? Now let us go for the next one. Vinay spends rupees 2000 a month on provision. Vinay is spending how much? Rupees 2000 per month. For what? To buy the provisions. Okay? So provision means the household things like grains, pulses and all those things. Okay? And Tara spent rupees 3500 a month on provision. So there are two people. Vinay is spending 2000 and Tara is spending 3500 per month for provision only. Find the ratio of Tara to Vinay's expense. So Tara and Vinay, what is the amount they are going to spend? So we will write here. Amount spent by Vinay is rupees 2000 per month. Rupees 2000 per month it is PM. Okay. And then Tara has spent rupees 3500. Rupees 3500 per month. Now the ratio of Tara to Vinay's expense, how to do? So what you have to do is Tara and first you have to see about Tara because I asked for Tara first. Tara to Vinay. So first is Tara. Tara is how much? 3000. I'll write it here. You write in the working column last. So 3500 by is 2000. Got it? Now, see here, these two zeros went, these two zeros went. What is remaining? 35 by 20. So what you can do? You can take it as 5. 5 7s are 35. 5 4s are 20. So what is the answer getting? 7 by 4. But what have they asked for the question? The ratio they have asked for question is ratio, not fraction. So the ratio of Tara to Vinay's expense is how much? 7 by 4. So ratio is 7 is to 4. 7 is to 4. So this I just write it here. You write it in our working column. 3500 by it is 2000. 2000. So 0 0 cancel. 5 7s are 5 4s are. You get 7 by 4. Got it? Now let us go for the next sum. What is asked here? Raghu earns rupees 25,000 a month. So his earnings, Raghu's earnings is rupees 25,000 per month. His expenses are rupees 10,000. So how much is he spending every month? He is spending 10,000. He is getting 25,000, but he is spending 10,000 every month. earnings to his savings. So here they have given savings how much? So you write 25,000. 25,000 to his savings is how much? His earnings to his savings. Savings you have to find out. We have not found out savings. How much? See, the question is his earning is 25,000 and spending is 10,000. So 25,000 minus 10,000. First you have to do that. So I'll write here 25,000 is his earning, right? And spending is how much? 10,000. 10,000 is earn. This is spend. Got it? Then savings. How to find out the savings? You have to minus this. When you minus, how much it comes? 0, 0, 0. 5 minus 0, 5. 2 minus 1 is 1. So this will be savings. First you have to find out this. Got it, children? All this you put in the working column. So earning is 25,000. Spending is 10,000. So amount saved is 15,000. Now here the question is his earnings to his savings. Earning is how much? 25,000. Isn't it? And his savings is 15,000. 15,000. So how to do? You have to simplify. You cannot just write like 25,000 is 15,000. You have to simplify. When you simplify, what happens? See here. 25,000 by 15,000. What happens here? These 3 zeros cancelled. These 3 zeros cancelled. Then 5 3s are 15. 5 5s are. So what is the answer here? 5 by 3. Understood? But here you have to write it in the form of ratio. Find the ratio of its given. So what is the answer you got? 5 by 3, which is equal to 5 is to 3. See whether you understood? Once again I will explain to you. Raghu earns rupees 25,000 a month. So earning is 25,000. His expenses are rupees 10,000 a month. Expense means he is spending. So expense or spending is 10,000. Then the rest of the money goes into his savings. How to find out the savings? What you have to do? Earning minus expenses. Earning or spending. Earning minus spending. You will get the answer, that is as a saving. So this much is going to put into the bank. How much? 15,000. So earning, spending or expenses, then savings. Is it clear? Then the question here is his earnings to his savings. You have to find the ratio. So earnings already it is 25,000. Savings also you understood it is 15,000. So when you just cancel it, how much you are going to get? When you simplify, it's not cancelling, you are going to simplify, how much you get? 25,000 by 15,000, you get 5 by 3. So 5 by 3, because they have not told you to write in the form of fraction, they have told you to write in the form of ratio. So 5 is to 3. Because already I told you, the numerator will be the first term and the denominator will be the second term. Clear? Now let us go for the next one. His earnings to his expenses. So earnings how much? 25,000, isn't it? Rupees 25,000. It is rupees 25,000. And his expenses how much? Spend or what you call expenses, 10,000. His expenses is 10,000. So what you have to do? 25,000 by 10,000. What you have to do? 3 zeros cancelled, 3 zeros cancelled, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. So what is the answer? 5 by 2. So in the form of ratio when you write, what you write? 5 is to 2. 5 is to 2. Clear? Next one is savings to his expenses. Savings. Savings is how much? 15,000. 15,000 is his savings. And expense how much? That means how much is spending? 10,000. Isn't it? So how to find out now? 15,000 divided by 10,000. 3 zeros gone. 5 2s are 5 3s are. So you get answer 3 by 2. So in ratio 3:2. This is the answer. So hope you have understood, children. First you have to find the savings, then it will be easy for you because they have given the question like that. Understood? So I will stop it here. We will continue in the next class. Thank you.